After winning against Nandas and by making Patliputra as their capital, now the expansion of Mauryan Empire was started, as they have started their expansion from Magad to the northern and western regions of India by defeating other kings or by getting them under the rule of Mauryan Empire. And by winning many parts, then they reached towards Gandhar region, which is modern day Afghanistan. As previously, before defeating Nandas, the Mauryans were having good influence in that Gandhar region and Indus Valley region. But due to not good leadership and disturbance in that area, the Mauryans have successfully won that region, and now whole central, northern, western India was under Mauryan rule. After the death of Alexander, his general Seleucus became the king of his empire and he renamed the empire as Seleucid Empire. As previously Alexander was unsuccessful to invade in India, so this time Seleucus wanted to fulfill his and Alexander's dream. And this time Seleucus wanted to conquer whole northern western regions of India and wanted to invade in India further too. But on the other hand, Mauryans were there to stop Seleucus and no one was ready to go back. So the situation of war arrived between Indians and Greeks, as Seleucus wanted to conquer India because India at that time was known as Golden Bird and was very rich and prosperous. So the risk of invaders was every time there on India, and to save India from invaders, this was the main reason due to which Mauryan Empire was established. Finally, in 305 BCE, the huge war started between Seleucid and Mauryan Empire, and in that war, the army strength of Seleucid Empire was around 200,000 infantry and 50,000 cavalry. And on the other hand, Mauryans were having more than 100,000 infantry and around 50,000 cavalry and 10,000 war elephants. As in ancient India, the war elephants were very powerful and very useful, and only Indians were having war elephants during war. And the huge war occurred, and in that war, the Mauryans got victory. Losing in that war, the Seleucus surrendered himself in front of Chandragupta, and Acharya Chanakya has kept two conditions in front of him. First one was that previously some areas of India were taken over by Greeks, now they will be included in Indian Mauryan Empire. And the second one was the daughter of Seleucus will marry Chandragupta. Then Seleucus agreed with both the conditions, and in return Indians have gifted 500 war elephants to Seleucus. And after this peace deal, the problems of Greek invaders was completely solved, and the many areas which were previously conquered by Greeks were now included in Mauryan Empire. After this peace deal, Greeks have never tried to invade in India, and now whole northern, western and central India was under Mauryan rule. Now it was time to take over southern India, but that we will discuss in some other videos. So this was today's video about Seleucid versus Mauryan Empire war. So this was today's video. If you have liked this video, then hit the like button, share the video, comment about the video and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.